how to find Ubisoft Connect code activation code on Steam. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can show Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So first of all, you need to open your Steam app on your desktop, and after that you have to click on your library and select the game. And I'm just showing you as a example purpose. So after clicking on here, you can just uh, see here a manage option. You just have to click on here and click on manage, and there should be a CND code on here if it supports a Ubisoft. Since this game doesn't support Ubisoft, so there's no CND code here. So that's how you can find a Ubisoft code on Steam, which game supports the Ubisoft. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.